All right, so here's a little tutorial on how I taped around my hip and my hip scar. You can use this for knee scars or other scars as well. What you'll notice right away is that there's lots of strips, and this is because it's called edema taping, which is essentially just using smaller strips of the tape so you cover a bigger surface area without just being covered in solid tape. So the lift of the tape is really helping with the circulation under the skin and deliver all the good things to heal the area and then also help remove the inflammation. So it's really proven to be a big help for me, but you can see how I'm going around where my incision is. I have one that's coming back here and then two others that I've crossed. One thing about crossing the strips is that you do get a little more decompression when you cross the strips. Just know that that does tend to be the place where it might peel off easier, so you can, you don't have to cross them, is what I'm saying. But you take these, what we're gonna call, I call them jellyfish, right? So you leave one end solid and connected, and then tear the backing at those little leg parts so that you have the anchor point. All right, so then we'll just demo this on somewhere else, this other side, because I don't want to take off my other ones. But so you take that anchor point, place that on clean, dry skin. Clean it first, dry it really well. Don't do it right out of the shower, otherwise it's not going to stay very long. And then you can take these strips, put a slight stretch to them, but you can really like move them wherever you want as you go along. They curve a lot better when they're skinnier strips as well. So you can just take them in whatever direction you choose and then make whatever pattern you like. But I gotta say that just this was where some of more of my pain was, and I believe it was referral pain. So this is where I wanted the tape to be, just felt like I needed it there. And then that helps with the inflammation clearing of the area. So that's how I did the tape with this edema taping and skinnier strips. Hopefully that helps.